Draw circle. Draw line. Select line. Rotate line from center with Control key. Type X23. Draw center circle. Select one step. Delete other steps. Copy step. Draw rectangle. Select edge. Extrude edge with JHS power bar tool. Select both edge. Bevel edges. Repeat beveling this side also. Push-pull tool to make thickness. Make it component. Select steps. Rotate. Move upward. Use Sketch Plus plugin. Select Smart Array tool. Click on first model then second model. Drag mouse type number to copy stair. Draw circle. Make it solid in a group. Open solid tool. Select subtract tool. Click on cylinder then click on stair. Repeat process again. Here your complex stair. For more tips and tricks, please share, like and follow. Thank you.